Guess which bag did I buy? Ta-da! It's very fast and quick drying, and some more is not damaging. And I was tempted because I love this black color with some diamonds design. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new to my channel, I'm Esther. I upload video about fashion, beauty and lifestyle at least once per week. Thank you so much for watching. Today I'm going to share about all the items that I just purchased from my last summer US trip. I went to Los Angeles and Las Vegas. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have known that I just got back from those trips. And since I have yet to offload, the stuff that I bought from US trip is still in my car, and I thought I would want to save the time. I do not need to clear my room before I'm able to do this short filming for you guys. So I might as well just do this short filming in this new environment in my car. Just want to quickly share with you guys what the items that I purchased before I offload them. So let's get started. Item number one is, of course, what I'm wearing right now is this Gap t-shirt, pink Gap t-shirt from US. I was actually walking around the factory outlet thinking, what are the shirts that I need to bring back home with me this round? So that's why once I went into this Gap factory outlet, the moment when I saw this in pink, I was actually attracted. Of course, this is just a normal Gap t-shirt. Everybody would have gotten this t-shirt, but I was obsessed with this pink color, so I was trying to get the right sizes. I actually bought two and I gave one to my mom, and also another one in a white color. It's just a normal standard Gap t-shirt. Both t-shirts, I think it costs less than 10 USD each. Next item would be this, something that I'm also wearing is this smart watch from Fossil. So watches from Fossil, if you happen to go to US, is also a good buy. So these smart watches, actually I purchased this, there was a discount. This is actually Gen 4. So at that point, the price of this watch is $179 excluding tax, and the original price is supposed to be 300 plus. I actually went to Target and I checked out this watch is actually 300 plus, but I bought the same watch at the factory outlet of Fossil, and it actually cost me around 179 USD. So I thought it's a good buy. So I actually did not plan to buy any watches there, but when I was there, I saw the sales assistant was actually wearing these smart watches, and I was tempted because I love this black color with some diamonds design. So I don't have a full black kind of watch, so I thought perhaps I should also get one. It has a lot of functions. Of course, it has like the Google Fit function to check your calories, burning your heartbeat, and also if there are messages, it will pop up. So all the standard smartwatches functions, they are available here. My hubby also got one. I will see if I can insert the photo and show you guys, and also got one watch for my mom. Okay, that's about Fossil watches. Next one is about handbag, right? So I'm of course a handbag lover. So I was thinking, what should I be getting? So I was walking in and out Michael Kors, Coach, and Kate Spade. So I saw many people were like holding big paper bags that they purchased out from Michael Kors, Coach. I actually went to Kate Spade. I was attracted to some of the bags. If I can see if I can insert the photo, and I actually bought one. My niece asked me to buy one of a Kate Spade bag. Let me see, it was actually very worth it. The price is about 300 original price, and after discount is only about 100 USD for that Kate Spade bag in black color. And if you purchase actually more than 150 Kate Spade items, you will get additional 10% off. So I actually, because of that, I actually also bought two card holders from Kate Spade, just to add up to make sure that it's more than 150, so that we can get additional 10% off. I think the original price is 29, after discount is 26, and this one is original is 93, 94, after discount is only 21 USD. So all in all, we add up together, we get additional 10% off. So these are my purchase from Kate Spade. I was about to buy the handbag, but I thought perhaps I wanted another brand. So guess which bag did I buy from my US trip? It is, ta-da! A mini bag from Furla. And guess what color did I choose? Again, is the sweet pink color. So this is of the mini size. Right, they have a lot of different colors, and my hubby actually pointed out that this color is more unique and looks very nice on me. So I love this mini size Furla. This is my first Furla bag. I've yet to use it, and okay, it's just one big compartment inside. Okay, with some cut sections. And the original price of this Furla, of course you can do it crossbody at shoulder level. The original price of this soft pink color mini Furla bag is $348. I am getting this at $197 USD. Of course, it was not really a big discount. It's $197 USD. Now I'm getting it, but because of this color, the discount wasn't that much. If you actually choose the off-season colors, you could actually get it one at about 150, but I didn't manage to find a color that I wanted, so I end up still choosing this light pink color from Furla. Next I have is this hair gadget that I bought from Target. So I've been eyeing this hair gadget from Revlon. Is this one-step hair dryer and volumizer. I've watched a lot of reviews online. Looks like it's a good gadget, so I went to search for it at the Target, and this was the last one. Very lucky. So I bought this, unfortunately, because it's a US plug, so I need to buy a converter before I can use it here locally in Asia. Yesterday I was actually using this gadget right after washing hair. So this gadget is really handy, easy to use, and is very fast and quick drying, and some more is not damaging. You can see you will have this curl, a simple C curl, all this easily with this gadget, and is even faster than an ordinary hair dryer. And the curls actually stays even after overnight. So I love the outcome. It saves a lot of time. It's like just coming out from the hair salon. I really love the look, and highly recommend. Let's see if next time, if I have time, I can do a full review on this gadget. I think it's only less than 50 USD. I will put the price down below. It's only less than 50 USD. So for that price tag, I think with these results and outcome, I would say that it's a good buy. Actually, we also bought some items from Zara, some shirts and dresses from Zara. If you talk about the price wise, it's the same if you were to buy it here locally or all the way to US. It's just as so happened we were there, and I love some of the pieces very much, so I thought that myself just get it right. The first piece that I got for myself is of course this polka dot. Love polka dot, and this trend is like so hot. If you look at Zara website nowadays, Zara has been coming up with this organza or sheer top. I've seen quite a few, and I'm really obsessed with this kind of top. It really spices up our outfit. It adds more details and make our whole outfit looks more interesting. I love it. And also I bought for myself is this cami dress, black midi cami dress. I love cami dress. Whenever I'm on cami dress, I feel that I look way slimmer because of this V in front, deep V in front. So I really love cami dress, very versatile. I think it comes in 3 colors, orange, black, and also a polka dot. You can choose. I just choose black because I thought it's again very versatile. Another one that I bought is this long cami dress in I think it's brown mixed with some green. Not sure what color. There are many ways that I can wear. I love it because I can wear this as a dress or also as a cardigan, and I'll show you guys in future how I can style this dress, but I really love it. Looks so chic. And of course, girls, right, all the way to US, and definitely we will go to Victoria's Secret. Right, in Victoria's Secret I bought, this is what I got from Victoria's Secret. Ta-da! Just for ladies, yeah. I love the lacy. And I think one is about 10.50 USD. I got these 7 pieces at a very lower price. I forgot the price. I'm not sure if it's 21 USD for 7 pieces or 30 USD for 7 pieces. I try to find out the price if possible. Price is really very good for those pieces, so that's why I bought. Not sure if you guys are interested in a guy stuff. My hubby also bought these 2 items from Zara, big discount from Zara. The first one is this green shirt from Zara, these green long shirts. I think they were having like 70% or 80% discount. Really love this green. I really recommend this green. In fact, I was also trying this when my hubby was actually trying at the fitting room. I was also trying this and I was telling him that could I also wear this sometimes, because now the trend, you guys know, is of course of the big oversized shirt. So I really love this color. I tried and I really love the style. So he was just smiling. And she also got this short sleeve shirt, white color, also having big discount. It's like maybe 50 or 60 or 70%. So he bought this from Zara as well. Okay, next up is also 2 shirts that my hubby bought from Tommy. Shirt number 1 blue from Tommy. 2 for 50 USD, 1 for 25 USD, 1 in blue and 1 in white color. M size, I think he got it in M size. Very good quality. Love. So if you guys are interested in Tommy, actually it's very worthy to buy Tommy stuff in the States. And he also got a shirt from Banana Republic. Original price was $36.99, and I will link the price. I will put the price after big discount. I think it's only less than 20 USD for this shirt with good quality from Banana Republic. And he also got a shorts from Banana Republic, which I chose for him. I love these shorts, the check prints. I really love it. So he also got this. Original price was $56.99 USD. I'm sure after discounts, I'm not sure, could it be less than 20? I will check it out and put the price tag for you guys. Love these pants. And finally, he also got 2 jeans from Levi's. I didn't get any jeans from Levi's this round. So he got two pair of jeans at I think 80 USD excluding tax. So one jeans is about 40 USD. This is of the style 505 black color, and this is of the style 514 dark blue color for the guys. So Levi's jeans again is another brand that is good to purchase if you happen to be in US. The rest of the items are for my kids. First one is these Nike shoes, sport shoes for my boy. The price again I will put is only less than 50 USD. Love, 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 love. Love the whites, easy to match. Next is also something that my girl loves, and I am also very much in love with this, is this pair of shoes, this pair of sandals from TY. I really love it, but I'm a little bit sad that the size that we chose is actually a little bit small. So she needs to start wearing it now because it looks small. It's about 16 USD for this pair of sandals. Love it, love it, love it. Next one, I also got a lot of t-shirts, Gap t-shirts for my kids. These are for my girl, all less than 10 USD. Love the sequins, you can flip. All that less than 10 USD. Another one right for my girl. This is also from Gap for my boy. All less than 10 USD. I will try to insert the exact price for my boy. And also a jacket, a hoodie jacket for my 4-year-old boy, cutie boy. I also went to the Disney store and we bought some items, some discounted items from Disney, including these pants for my boy. Right, original price is 22.95 USD. After discount is less than $10 for these pants, right? Also this also from Disney, this t-shirt from Disney, also less than $10. Original price is $17, after discount less than $10 from Disney. And this for my girl, same, 17, after discount is less than $10. And this is also a t-shirt. Actually there are one more. Two of this is only at 10 USD. I actually also bought two very beautiful and very interesting pencil case, the pencil box for my kids. One is the Spade and one is in a book kind of shape. I tried to insert the photo, I'm not sure where I put it, but they love it and I love it too. And actually I only got it at like 10 USD for each, so it's also discounted from the Disney store. So love those two pencil case. What else? Oh yes, and I actually also helped my nieces and nephews to get some t-shirts, men's t-shirts from Adidas and also Nike. Two Nike shirts at about 30 USD, and also Adidas t-shirt I think also is about 15 USD, and also Adidas hoodie jacket at the price is about probably 30 USD. So I think that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have yet to subscribe, don't forget to subscribe. Just click the subscribe button. Thank you so much for your support, and I will try my best to edit all the vlog videos as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching again. Bye guys.